Hi, I'm Doug Fairley and my Vic Tour 24 project was entitled Unlocking Synergy, Drug Combinations Targeting Critical Survival Factors for Enhanced Therapeutic Efficacy in Pancreatic Cancer. Now that's quite a mouthful, but what it really means is that we are looking for new drug combinations that could overcome one of the biggest problems in pancreatic cancer, which is drug resistance. One of the reasons tumour cells become resistant to treatment is that they increase levels of proteins that help them stay alive. In pancreatic cancer, our previous work has shown that two of the most important proteins are called BCL-XL and MCL1. So before receiving our Tour to Cure funding, we had screened around 1,500 drugs in combination with a BCL-XL inhibitor and identified a number of promising candidates. Subsequently, with our Tour to Cure support, we have now validated a large panel of these in different cell-based systems and shown that many strongly enhance the activity of the BCL-XL inhibitor. And we now have a short list for further preclinical investigation in mice. We've also investigated how these combinations work, showing that different drugs act through different mechanisms, including reducing survival signals in some cases and increasing pro-death signals in other cases. We've also now been able to expand upon the project by testing a further 1,000 combinations with the BCL-XL inhibitor and a second drug targeting MCL1 in over 2,500 combinations. This has generated a much larger data set which we are now working on. And this large data set is also being used to train artificial intelligence models to better predict more effective drug combinations in pancreatic cancer. One of the really important outcomes of all this is that we have been able to secure additional support to continue this research, including from Pankind and La Trobe University's Kickstarter program. And the data has formed the basis of our current NHMRC Ideas Grant application. So overall, this funding has enabled us to build a strong pipeline of experimentally validated drug combinations with clear potential for future preclinical development. Finally, I'd like to thank the Tour to Cure at the riders and their support queue for their continued support of my research program. I'm very grateful. Thank you.